All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about numbers today. When we think about numbers, we think about fractions and decimals, one, two, three, and such, and that's all we do. We sometimes think, oh, I wear a size 7.5, or I'm 14 years old. But today, what we're going to do is look at numbers and their origin. Where do they come from? How do we classify numbers? And what do different numbers mean? What is a zero compared to a five? So we're going to start with the idea of way back when we have a farmer named Farmer John. Farmer John had some sheep, but he needed to know how many sheep there were. So he said, I am going to count my sheep today. So he started counting one, two, three, four, five, and so on. And so when we talk about numbers, okay, numbers meant something you could count. And so we call them counting numbers or natural numbers. So once again, natural numbers or counting numbers as we know them are numbers that you learn at the very beginning when you were a little preschooler or even a toddler, and people said, how many ears do you have? You say, well, I have one, two ears. Those are counting numbers. Okay, let's think about another type of number though. A number that's not here is zero. Let's say somebody comes and steals all of Farmer Bob's sheep. How many sheep does he have? He doesn't have any. So how does he represent not having any? And that will be zero. So when we add zero to our counting numbers or natural numbers, we start classifying that as whole numbers. So whole numbers are numbers, natural numbers with zero. And so you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,